everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a soup. It's easy crock-pot potato soup. And it actually really was easy, my mom said, and also really yummy. So hopefully you guys will give this one a try. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, we're making an easy crock pot potato soup. So we've got our slow cooker on high. Got 5 russet potatoes that have been peeled and chopped. We got 4 tablespoons of butter. We got 1 small onion chopped. We got a teaspoon of minced garlic. And then we've got, it says a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, but you know what I think. It's the blend. So 2 teaspoons of that, 4 cups of this broth. And we use the Kerrygold butter, the good stuff. So we stirred that all up, and we're gonna put the lid on. We've got ours on high, so you do high for 3 to 4 hours, or you can do low for 4 to 6. So it depends on you, and until the potatoes are done. And I'll show you what to do. Okay, it's been 3 hours and the potatoes were definitely soft. So I took a potato masher, mashed up as much as I wanted. And then I added a whole bunch of bacon bits. This is not in this recipe, but I think it should be. Real crumbled bacon, like a bunch, over a cup. And now we gotta bake the thickening agent. So 30 to 40 minutes before you wanna eat it, that's when you do this, and you still leave it on high. So it's pretty thick. I also add some cheese to this because other recipes use cheese in their potato soup recipes. And so they use bacon too. That's where I got that from. But I wanted some cheese, so I put about a cup of my, vegan cheddar in there. And then, let's see, I did 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. They said xanthan gum, but I don't have that. So I did a tablespoon of beef gelatin powder. Look at that, thicken soups and stews. And then heavy cream, a cup of heavy cream. So that's what's in this, and then we're going to put it in here and mix it. All right, I've mixed it in there, and it looks good already, and we're not even done yet. So another 30 minutes. Now that we put that in there on high, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, it's done and delicious. And it smells good, so I hope you guys give it a try, and it tastes good. Enjoy.